Hello guys! Today's class is on color psychology. So, are you excited for a fun learning session? Okay, so let's start our session with a wonderful quote by Edward Munch. Okay guys, so before understanding or answering what is this color psychology or what are the meanings of this color, let's start with little history behind this color psychology.
What?
Trust me guys, this history won't be boring, okay? I have really made this history very simplified for you guys. See guys, you just have to remember only these things. Sir Isaac Newton introduces the color psychology, but it was based on wavelength and all. So, Johann Wolfgang Goethe challenged their ideas and introduced his own psychology. He explains his theory with the help of a color triangle which he forms, and this color triangle is well known as Goethe's color triangle. This color triangle was divided into 5 other triangles depicting 2 groups. First group was made on the basis of colors that produce excitement and cheerfulness, while other group was based on those colors that are associated with weakness and unsettled feelings. Yes, that's all for the history. Now, what is color psychology? Chromodynamics is the study of color psychology. You know, color stimulates feeling, not only physical but biological. It accumulates our respiration rate, our breathing rate, our heart rate, even our eye blink frequency, guys. So this is what color psychology is. It can be physical or biological. Now let's discuss this color psychology in different fields. In film industry, coordinated color schemes can help motion pictures create a mood that underscores the theme. Color has an effect on our emotions and behavior. So here, color psychology plays really very important role in depicting particular mood. Culture. In terms of exactly what kind of effect and how it affects, findings are somewhat inconclusive. Our reactions to colors are led by a combination of biological, physiological, psychological, social and cultural factors. Colors too represents culture. Food products. Green, brown and red are the most popular food colors, isn't it? But have you ever wondered why is that so? The very simple answer for this fact is color psychology. Yes, according to the color psychology, the colors like red, orange, yellow and green are wonderful appetite stimulant. Fashion. In fashion, color is one of the most effective tools. Psychologists have suggested that color impression can actually account for 60% of the acceptance or rejection of that product or service. That is the reason why we study a lot of color scheme and psychology in designing. Wedding. Colors often have different symbolic meanings in different cultures. For example, white is the color for weddings in Western societies, but for funerals in traditional Chinese culture. Other example can be red is generally associated with rage in America, but with happiness in China. Finally, we gonna see what are the different meanings of all colors. Red. The most emotionally intense color. Red clothing gets noticed but makes the wearer appear heavier. Red cars are targets for thieves. Decorators say that red furniture will attract attention. Since it is an extreme color, red clothing might not help people in negotiations or confrontations. Orange. Orange is a combination of yellow and red, and it is considered as an energetic color. Orange calls to the mind feelings of excitement, enthusiasm, and warmth. Orange is often used to draw attention, such as in traffic signs and advertising. Yellow. Yellow is the color which resonates with the left or logic side of the brain, stimulating our mental faculties and creating mental agility and perception. Being the lightest hue of the spectrum, the color psychology of yellow is uplifting and illuminating, offering hope, happiness, cheerfulness, and fun. Green. Green is a cool color that symbolizes nature and the natural world, perhaps because of its strong associations with nature. Green is often thought to represent tranquility, good luck, health, and jealousy. Green is thought to relieve stress and help heal. Blue. Because blue is favored by so many people, it is often viewed as a non-threatening color that can seem conservative and traditional. Blue calls to mind feelings of calmness or serenity. It is often described as peaceful, tranquil, secure, and orderly. Violet. In color psychology, violet or purple is a royal color. The color meaning for purple is connected to power, nobility, luxury, wisdom, and spirituality. But avoid using the color too much, as it can cause feelings of frustration or arrogance. Pink. Pink is a light red hue and is typically associated with love and romance. People associate the color with qualities that are often thought of as feminine, such as softness, kindness, nurturance, and compassion. Pink is thought to have a calming effect, being sensitive color. White. White represents purity or innocence. Some of the positive meanings that white can convey include cleanliness, freshness, and simplicity. The color white often seems like a blank slate, symbolizing a new beginning or a fresh start. So we have both positive and negative aspects of each colors. Black. Black is a popular color in retail. In color psychology, black's color meaning is symbolic of mystery, power, elegance, and sophistication. In contrast, the color meaning can also evoke emotions such as sadness and anger. Many fashion retailers have used black in their logos. Gray. In color psychology, gray represents neutrality and balance. Its color meaning likely comes from being the shade between white and black. However, gray does carry some negative connotations, particularly when it comes to depression and loss. Its absence of color makes it dull. Brown. Brown is a natural color that evokes a sense of strength and reliability. It's often seen as solid, much like the earth, and it's a color often associated with resilience, dependability, security, and safety. Brown brings to mind feelings of warmth, comfort, and security. Thank you so much for attending this class, guys. And you can always contact me on my Telegram account at Artistic Tanya and join our official Telegram group and channel.